The third question, do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Listen, now you have to give a comparison between the schools of the future and school of past. Past means the schools in which you are studying at that time. So present schools have more fun. Give reasons for your answer. Clear? Intro can be same, but you must have to include this line also. After writing the same introduction which I have given in answer 1, yes, I agree with Margie that schools of today are much more fun. क्लियर कि मैं सहमत हूँ कि मार्जी की बात से कि आज के स्कूल ज़्यादा फन है. मतलब today's school, the present time schools are very good. I know you all are missing your schools nowadays because you are studying from home. Clear? I am telling the truth now. Yes, as they had clear. They had a very nice schools there where students enjoy a lot. It means schools like yours. First point is why. So why they had fun? What is the reasons that the students had fun in their school? So the first reason of fun in the past school is children of a present school is, I am sorry because here is asked children of same age group learn in the same class. So the first reason to have fun in present school is that all the children in 30 and 40 ratio study together in the same classroom. So they make friends, है ना? Discuss things with together, share lunch together. Clear? They meet. Second point is they meet one another and play, learn together. Clear? You also have game period. So they meet one another. They meet friends and meet one another and play together, learn together. So it is a unique opportunity for children to make a own social circle. Clear? So in a school, the children have a chance to make their own social circle. So it is the main feature of present school that they can develop socially in a very nice way. Third point is they can make. The third reason why they have fun, they can make friends, help each other, share experience which are important for proper growth and overall physical and mental development. So they became friends, help each other, share experience, and these things are very important for the proper growth of any child. Not only of mental level, but as they also play and do activities in schools, so physical development is also very important and very properly is given in the school. Fourth point is nobody likes to be confined in a solitary room. Like the Margie, she had to sit alone in her digital classroom. So nobody likes to confine in a solitary means lonely room for learning all by oneself. तो कोई भी अकेले पसंद नहीं करता पढ़ना. तो it is very important thing which is not a fun really. Even though one has access to the best of lessons which are planned and taught in an interesting way. Listen students, the mechanical teacher is a device which is developed according to the researches which are done by the very great scientists and sociologists and some other thinkers. So they are based in a very good psychological method. So it is very important that these chapters and these instructions are very good and best type, but nobody likes to sit alone, and that's why they becomes bored. The students become bored because of that single point. So this is the point why the school students had fun, because nobody liked to live alone, to learn alone. Whatever is given in a proper way or not, nobody likes the cage of gold. As you have heard कि किसी को सोने का पिंजरा भी पसंद नहीं होता, तो वही चीज है स्टूडेंट at their it is the mentality or tendency of children that they cannot sit alone. They can learn things in social groups. Clear? So however they are given best chapters, best instruction and planned way, but they don't like to sit alone. Clear? Fifth point is basic instinct of man is to live in a social group. Yes, it is a basic instinct. Means एक जो मेंटालिटी होती है किसी की, मैन मीन्स हियर ह्यूमन बीइंग इज टू लिव इन सोशल ग्रुप्स. तो नोबडी लाइक्स टू लिव अलोन, एज नाउअडेज नोबडी वांट्स टू स्टे इन होम, बट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्टे होम बिकॉज ऑफ द कोरोना वायरस. तो लिसन स्टूडेंट्स, तो दैट्स व्हाई Margie and Tommy Margie didn't like the school because children aspire to live in groups, and that's why they like the present time of school, because in the present type of school the students have the opportunity to learn together. Clear? We can conclude this answer like this. Okay, the reason that the present school have a lot of fun. Conclusion. Listen students, we have appreciated present type of school in the answer because we are in favor that present school had a lot of fun, but there are also some shortcomings. Shortcomings means demerits और weaknesses. कुछ दोष भी हैं हमारे आज के present time educational system में. Clear? What are they? So we can write these in conclusion. But present day schools also suffers from some flaws. Flaws, I have written the meaning here: weakness, demerits or shortcomings. दोष. तो present type of schools also suffers from some flaws. आजकल के स्कूल में कुछ दोष भी हैं. For example, the same teacher teaches students without one-to-one interaction, and there is no planning for each children according to his or her own mental level. So the first shortcoming is nowadays, because of population, that teacher is unable to interact one-on-one ratio. As there are 50 or 40 students in each class, so they had no chance, the present teacher has no chance to discuss one-to-one whether they have learned or not, what is the problem. So it is not possible in the present scenario because the period is of I think 35 or 40 minutes, and they have no chance to interact with each and every child, and there is no planning for each child according to, yes, as every child is different from the other child, so their IQ level is also different, but the teachers have no chance. The plannings, they can't plan according to the mental level of the students because they have to teach in the same 30 or 40 minutes in the same process. Clear? So they cannot change their method of teaching according to the mental level of the child. So these are the two shortcomings. Clear? But what is our conclusion? Listen. But in spite of these flaws, यहाँ पर S लगाएंगे आप. But in spite of these flaws, in spite means के बावजूद, it is a preposition, means in spite of these flaws, इन कमियों के बावजूद, today's schools are really good for the students. आजकल के जो स्कूल हैं वो ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं बच्चों के लिए, as these flaws can be mended using the new technology. क्योंकि आज की जो ये कमियां हैं, they can be cured using the advanced technology and make the education more effective and good. That's all.